Cordydd.
Well, this is Cordydd's first appearance at the International Choral Festival here in Cardiff, and we felt it was something different to do this year. We normally compete at the National Eisteddfod every year, we do other competitions, but we felt that we wanted something fresh, something new, and being part of this festival, you get to know other conductors, other choirs, how they craft their repertoires for a competition like this. And for me personally, having the opportunity to showcase the choir in front of a panel of international judges is something that you can't buy here in Wales. So for me personally, to have that opportunity is an amazing experience, and we've really enjoyed our first time here at the festival. The weather's absolutely amazing. All the other choirs, we all get along with each other. There's a really nice vibe in the centre, and yeah, we're really looking forward to the rest of the evening.